Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making a tutorial for Minecraft. A tutorial for beginners so they know more about this game. Please leave a like and subscribe and also watch till the end to see the interesting tutorial. Let's start. Oh, nah. Okay. Oh, what? This is really weird. So I wanted to make a usual tutorial, but I just found a village and I was like, oh my god, a village, no way. And now I see it's abandoned. Like, that's crazy. Okay, let's break some oak. So the first thing you need to do is break oak, as you can see. Collect the wood. Okay. Still collecting it. This abandoned village, that it's really rare, so that's why I was that shocked. Because it's really rare to find an abandoned village. So yeah, I was pretty shocked. Because it's really rare. Okay, let's put a crafting table. Okay, so we need, as you can see, to craft some oak planks. You just need to go here at the recipes and it will show you how to craft them. And some sticks. After that, you need to also craft a crafting table that is 4 oak planks it's 4 oak planks like this. And then you need to make a wooden pickaxe that you make it, as you can see here, with 2 sticks, but here it says 4 with 4. I mean 1 stick for each box, let's say like that, and 3 oak. And you make the wooden pickaxe. Now the second thing you need to do is go getting stone. So you mine and you get some stone. You need to get approximately 16 stone. Okay, we have 11, 13, 15, and the last one, 14, and the last two, 16. Okay, let's go back up. Now let's build a bit with oak. Okay, now you need to go here and it will show you the things you can craft. You need to craft a stone sword, stone axe, stone pickaxe, and a furnace. Okay, now you need to put them here in front. Put this pickaxe there, the sapling also. And you need to break with the axe, because axe breaks wood the fastest, the crafting table. I want to see what is with this abandoned village. So villages are really useful because they give food and a lot of things, but the abandoned one is basically useless. Like literally useless. This is so like amazing. I've never saw an abandoned village, but it seems like we found one. Okay, let's... What is Oh, the zombie village is in the abandoned village. I forgot to tell you. So yeah, but I'll kill him. I want to get some carrots because I want some food. Because food is really important on this game. Because you have some hunger that goes. And you need to have food so you can refresh it. Okay. Let's also collect some potatoes. At least we have food from this village. Okay, now let's put the potatoes here. And I see some cobblestone there, so let's go there. Again, it's really rare to find an abandoned village. Okay, I found some coal. You need to get the coal so you can smelt things in the furnace or craft torches with coal and sticks. Coal is also useful in this game. Okay, let's go find another village, I guess, because this one is kind of weird. Wait, what's that? I want to see what's there. Because this is a massive hole. Okay, I need to stay shifted because to not fall, maybe. Okay, there is some coal. I try to get it. Okay, let's get this coal. So, as I said, coal is really useful because you can smelt things with it. You can craft torches. Okay. Let's get all the coal here. Again, this is a tutorial for beginners, so it's just the basic things you need to know in Minecraft. Not so much. Okay, let's get out of here. Wait, why is there light in this cave? Okay, there's a zombie there. I need to craft a shield, but I don't have iron. I'll go out of here for a bit. I'll try to search for another village. Okay, so villages are really useful, as I said, I think one time, because you find a lot of food, and food is important for the hunger, as I said. Okay, so see, now my hunger is gone a bit, and I ate carrots, and it's back. And if your hunger reaches 0, you die. You starve to death. Okay, some coal here. I'll try to get all I find, cause yeah. Okay, get the coal. Okay. Now that I got the coal, I need to search for another village. But there'll probably be a village far away, cause if there's a village here, there's no way there's another village close. Oh my god, this is a massive cave. Cave. Yeah, that's crazy. But that's not my business now. I need to find a village. Okay, if this takes too long, I'll be back with when I found the village. And no, it's the abandoned village again. It's the same one. I thought I just found one, but it's the same abandoned village. Okay, another cave. A lot of caves on this map. Why is this tree like? Oh, here was my spawn. That's why it's like that. Cause I broke the tree. Okay, now I get it. I'll stay a bit more, and if I don't find it, I'll be back when I find something, cause it's really hard to find a village when you also saw one, but it was abandoned, sadly. Yeah, okay, be back when we find a village. Okay, I stayed like a minute, 2 minutes, or something like that, and I already found one. So when I said be back, I was somewhere there, and now if I went like this, I already found a village. That's really good. 2 villages pretty close, actually. Pretty close one to each other. And this one is not abandoned, so that's perfect. I hope it has a blacksmith. Okay, so in villages you need to look for chests. Okay, here's a chest right here with some bread. Bread is again food, so it's useful. Okay. Nothing in this house. Okay. You need to get a bed from a house so you can sleep. Because at night the mobs are spawning. So you need to sleep somewhere. And there's some hay bale. I'll collect it after I sleep. And I'll show you what I can make with it. I'll not sleep in my bed. I'll just go in a villager's house because... No. No. I did a big mistake. If you hit a villager, then the iron golem is coming for you. But I hope he didn't see me. Like he couldn't, because He was outside and we were in the house. Okay, now that it's morning, I'll show you what to do next. Okay, firstly, you need to beat the iron golem. For this, you need to climb on 3 blocks. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and then hit him. Okay, hit him, and then kill him, because he has target on you, and he stays here, and you can easily beat him from here. Okay, and now that you beat him, you will see how much iron you have. I have 3 in this case, so let's craft a sword, because my sword is almost broken, so I need a new sword. Okay, let's craft a sword. So as you can see, you go here at armors and weapons, and it will show you iron sword, then you craft it. Okay, you put the sword here, break the crafting table with the axe, as I already said in this video, and now jump in the water, because you don't take fall damage if you jump in the water, and collect the hay bale. Like, hay bale is useful because it makes bread, and bread is, I think, the best food in this game, because it gives you a lot of hunger. So yeah, bread is really good. I know I already have food, but bread is better than carrots and potatoes. So I'll quickly take this hay bale. Now you need to put the crafting table down. Go here at the grass blocks and craft wheat. A lot of wheat. Okay. And now you need to go wait, I'll actually search for it. I'll not go anywhere. You need to search bread, and here it is. And you just do press here. You continue pressing until you have all the bread. And then you have more food. Okay. Now that I have 49 bread, let's put it here and the carrots here. Okay. By the crafting table, and let's explore this village to see what it has for us. Okay, you need to swim. You go down on these little buttons. Okay. Break this block. Break this one. Go up here. Okay. Let's explore this village to see what it has for us. Okay, let's see here. Maybe some chests, I don't know. Okay, it's nothing here. Nothing here as well. Nothing here, okay. I hope there's something in this house. Please, a chest? No. Nothing here as well. Okay, let's eat. So see, the bread gives you more hunger, as you saw right there. Okay, now let's go mining, I guess. Okay, I'll not mine straight down, because it's a really important rule. Don't mine straight down, because you may fall in lava or in a big cave or so on. So I'm digging like this. Oh, I don't have torches, but I'll make some. Don't have to worry about that right now, but when it's getting darker, I'll make some torches. Okay. Trying to get some iron maybe. Ooh, found some coal. Nice. Break the coal. Okay. There's a lot of coal here. Like a lot of coal. No, my pickaxe is breaking. I'll make a new one. Or actually, wait, I'll let that coal there and go down. Because I need to find iron to make a new pickaxe. Because I don't have enough sticks. That's what I realized. Okay, let's make torches fast. I'll get 2 sticks remaining. Because I need 2 sticks for the pickaxe, okay. And now let's put the crafting table here. And craft the pickaxe, okay. And put it here. Okay, so now I have a new pickaxe, nice. And let's go down again. Okay, let's put a torch here. Let's see if we find something. I need to go to a bit down so I can start strip mining, I guess. Okay, let's start, I guess. I don't know how down we are, but I'll mine like this in stairs, so maybe I can get even further. Maybe I can find iron. Okay. Still searching, but it seems like we will not find anything soon. Yeah. I think it's useless to continue. I'll go back up. Sorry for not, finding something, but I couldn't. I just couldn't because... Or actually... Or... No. I'll not do it. Because I said it's a basic tutorial, so we're not going in deep things like getting iron or things like that. I know it's not really hard, but still. Okay, let's get back up. Okay. Trying to get back up. Okay. Still climbing up here. Okay. And we're back up. Okay, in the village. This was only part 1. If you want to see me making a part 2 where I find iron, diamonds maybe, please leave a like and subscribe so you will see that. For now, bye bye.